Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have an unboxing video to share with you guys from Miss Kate Cuttables. So she reached out to me and asked me if she could send me a box. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing with this and I'm excited to craft something with it. All I know is that it's summer themed, and guys, your girl's gonna be doing a lot of crafting this summer, so I'm very excited to see what we can make with whatever is in this box. So let's find out and open this baby up. And of course, if you guys want to get yourself a box, I think I have a July box coming as well. But if you guys want to get yourself a box, definitely check out Miss Kate Cuttables. I think there's going to be like a lot of fun goodies to craft with in here. So I'm excited to see what's inside. I'm sure you guys are too. Isn't the suspense just killing y'all? Oh my gosh. All right, this is fun. All right, so inside this box here says Miss Kate monthly subscription. The basic subscription is $24.99. The cardstock lovers is $34.99, but the basic includes 20 sheets of 12 by 12 double-sided paper, which is more than you get in like a regular collection kit. You get 19 full double-sided sheets. The back of the cover has a bonus pattern included, so that's why it's 19 full double-sided sheets, but 20 sheets in total. You get 39 designs, 5 sheets of each 3x4 and 4x4 elements. The element sheets are not printed back to back, so you can use every single element if you want. You get over 60 die cuts, and they're pre-cut die cuts, which is awesome, so I don't have to sit there fussy cutting. And you get over 60 stickers, and some of them are the same as the die cuts, just reduced by 50%, so they are smaller in size, similar to how other companies do it. Like sometimes you'll get like the clear stickers or the puffy stickers, and they're like half the size of what you might get on like chipboard stickers and whatnot. And then the cardstock lovers one, that is $34.99. It includes all of that that's in the basic, but you also get 32 sheets of 12 by 12 single-sided like linen printed smooth cardstock paper. You get 16 custom colors that match perfectly with the design, 2 of each color, a white core. They're single-sided, they cut beautifully, and they're just like, they look like standard cardstock, but with a smooth surface. So it works great with adhesive, and then shipping is free, and so on. So lots of information here, lots of great information. To be honest, that $34.99 deal sounds awesome sauce. Okay, so here's just like another little thing of information here, and let's see. All right, I think this, oh my gosh, this is the solid cardstock. Oh my gosh, look how much solid papers you get. But I'm gonna open up the patterned paper one first because, oh wow. First off, I love those pineapples. They are calling my name. My bathing suit for the summer, actually, the bottoms have pineapples all over it. So I love it, love it, love it. Maybe we can make like a pineapple shaped album. How cute would that be? All right, so here are the die cuts. Look at all these die cuts you get. And I love this. This is like so profesh. I know that she makes all this and everything, but this looks just like a regular ephemera pack that you would get. It has all the pieces that you would have in here on the back, so you could see. There's a QR code here, so you could see more adorable designs. You don't have to like type in a website. This is so professional, all the packaging and everything. I gotta show you guys these die cuts. I'll show you some of these, or a lot of these. But look how great. These are such great quality. I cannot wait to do some layering with these on an album or something. Oh my god, these little sunglasses, how adorable. Aren't they so cute? The palm tree, you get a couple of those. Oh, this one is still a little different. It says Beach Babe, but then you also get the regular palm tree. You get flip-flops. Look how nicely cut these are, and they all have like a nice little perfect white border. which I actually like because it helps everything stand out a little bit more. And that way, because like clear stickers all the time, I have to put onto some kind of cardstock first and then fussy cut around it. So this already has the white border, so everything was just gonna kind of stand out. Surfboard here, a beach ball, some flowers and more flowers. I love these. Oh, popsicles. How cute. More sunglasses. Oh, you got like these little like drops for like splashing around. That's cute. There's this die cut that says summer. We have vacay vibes, pool day. There's just so many fun elements in here. What else? At the beach. What is this large one? Summer vacation. How that's gonna look perfect on like a front cover of an album. I love these. And I don't have to do any fussy cutting. I don't have to put them onto any white cardstock or anything. It's already done for me. Ready to craft, ready to go. It's awesome. And guys, if you guys want to get one, definitely check it out. I'm going to have the link down below in the description box so you guys could check that out. Then, like the little sheet here said, the box information said you also get stickers. So these are smaller than the die cuts, but they are, I think they're like the same die cuts because I see the summer one here. So that's that one. Yeah, so I think the same images, but in stickers, and these are great to decorate inside of albums as well. I mean, you could use the die cuts as well, depending on how big your album is, but it's also nice to have some smaller ones, so that's awesome. And let's see, they peel so nicely. They just come right up. These are great. I'm so excited. Okay, but this paper, you guys, oh, I missed one. I got a little like splash drop here. Oh, I have another one on here too. Definitely want to put that away because I want to be able to use those. So I'm going to stick them in there. Okay, so this pineapple paper, I love this pineapple paper. And just everything about this just looks like real. I mean, it is real paper. It's a company that printed it in whatever, Miss K Cuttables, but it just looks so professional. Like it's got the branding strip down here and all. Like, I love this. I'm loving these patterns though too. All right, so we had that one. We've got this one. This is like the florals with some leaves. And then the back side. This is going to be such a cute summer album. How cute. Love it. Ooh, this one. This would be a nice page in an album as well. Like, let's say my album is not the full thing. I could cut like here or whatever and do like a 2-page kind of layout, like with a flip out or whatever, flip out page. So that would be cute to have the palm trees, or you could just do one piece and then another piece elsewhere. Or you could fussy cut around this palm tree as well, like however you want to use it. So fun. Love the plaid. You guys know I love my plaid designs. And then there's these florals. This would be so cute to fussy cut around and make this a pocket in an album. That would be adorable. And then the rest of this is white, but I would just use it for this side. Then there's this one. These florals here. And the back side. Oh, I love these. And these match the die cuts like perfectly. And then there's this one with the pink floral. And the back side. That would be another cute 2-page layout. Even 3 pages depending on how big your album is. Because if it's like a 4x6, you could do 3 pages because these are 12x12. So super duper cute. Then there's this one, some polka dot paper. And this. Guys, I'm so excited about this. You get so many pages. I could do so much with this. I'm very excited. I can make a bunch of albums with this, to be honest. I got to start with the biggest one first. So I think the pineapple album is going to be another project later on. But I want to do like a big album, and then I could do a pineapple shaped album after that. This is cute too with the little flip-flops, the sunglasses, florals and all. These are palm trees here on a pink background, so I love that too. This beautiful flower. Then pink polka dots. It's a great, like, more neutral themed background. Ooh, pineapples! Love it, love it, love it. That's gonna be hard to pick. Which one do I want? The pink or the pineapples? I love both. And then there's these polka dots with these stripes. I like these as well. Florals with like a navy background. And then this. So here you could die cut this out as well if you want like a corner pocket somewhere, or just have this as like a whole element, and then somebody could do some journaling and writing on it. You have the 3x4 size cut aparts, and there's polka dots on the back. But you have, I love the little coconut and everything. These are so cute. And these, you could take some of those die cuts and add like a phrase to it if you wanted to, or from the sticker sheet. And then there's these 4x4 size die cuts. Love it, love it, love it. So cute, you guys. And then these are 3x4 landscape cards. Yeah, because these are 3x4 this way. So these are landscape instead of portrait, which is awesome. You don't see that often, but I always love to have that option when I do see landscape ones. Oh, but these palm trees are so cute on the back also. I also love that. And then there's a 4x6 here, 4x6, and then 3x4s. So yeah, this is a mix and match with a bunch of different size cut aparts, and the back side has some banners. Then these are some 3x4 landscape again. Love these because these have sentiments on it. I always love when my cut aparts have sentiments. And the back side with like a navy blue background with pink polka dots. You got some florals here. And then here is the cover. I don't know, did I open that backwards? I may have opened that backwards because I don't think we started off with the cover. But just look how pretty. Guys, you need this collection. It's like so perfect for summer. You guys are going to want it because I'm going to be doing some awesome projects with this. You guys are going to want to get it. So I hope she still has these in stock. But wait, we're not done yet because we also have the cardstock. You guys know how many waterfalls I can make with this. I love doing solid papers for my waterfalls. You know how awesome that is? There's so many papers in here, 32 sheets. And especially when I do my waterfalls, my waterfall pages that I like to put on are 3 1/8 by 4 1/8. So I usually have to use like more than just like a one sheet of paper because it's not just the regular 3x4 where I could get like 12 out of it. Then I get a little bit less. But oh my gosh, there are so many solid cardstock pieces in here. And I'm loving this so much right now, you guys. And it's like, it's smooth cardstock, but it looks slightly textured, so that always adds a little bit of something, and I love it. And the back side is white, so I don't have to pick and choose which color I want to use, because sometimes, like the Echo Park ones, have double-sided, and then sometimes I like both colors on both sides, and it's really hard to pick, so I love this. So you have like a lighter pink, then it gets darker. Oh wait, is that the same? Nope, slightly darker, then even darker than that, and they all match perfectly. This is a light blue, then slightly darker, and then slightly different shade. Then we got yellows. I'm loving this. I love the slight printed texture on here. I really do love that. And then all the different shades of orange. And you know what? If I don't finish using up all these orange ones, what season is next? Fall. So you know what? You could use all these all these orange ones for the fall as well. Then I've got like the navy and some darker blues. We got some greens, darker greens. And then like this, what is this? Like a, not like an ivory taupe maybe color. I love this, you guys. I'm so excited to craft with this and make an album. If you guys have anything specific you want me to make, let me know. But I'm thinking an album, and I'm also thinking like a regular size album, and then I'm also thinking a pineapple shaped album would be super duper cute. Or maybe we need to do one of those like word albums that says vacay on it, V-A-C-A-Y. So like just like the albums I make with the cut files, I've done like woof and meow and grad and dad and mom. Like maybe we could do like vacay, or we could probably do vacation and maybe do it a double layer. So V-A-C-A-T-I-O-N and like vacation. That would be cute too. Let me know what you guys think. But I'm so excited to craft with these. Definitely check out Miss Kate Cuttables if you haven't done so already, to see all of her fun boxes and different boxes and papers that she has every month. I don't know how she comes up with these designs. Like, these are gorgeous. I'm loving it. Loving the colors too. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. All the links are down below in case you guys are interested in getting a subscription box. And yeah, stay tuned because we're going to be making a lot of fun stuff. And especially because there's more than the 12 sheets of paper in here. There are 20 sheets. I have so much more paper I could craft with. So this is super duper fun and exciting, and I can't wait. All right, guys, thank you so much. And I will see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.